Okay, so guys, welcome to today's video. Yes, you haven't seen me in a while. Sorry about that, but hey, I'm back. So now in today's video, I'm gonna do a video that's been asked of quite a lot, and also being that it's my most popular video on YouTube, I thought that it would only be right to do this video. So this video is a tutorial of how I played Ancient of Days. So if you've looked at my other course on how to learn songs by ear, you will see that I was saying stuff like you have to listen to the song over and over again until you can like catch the gist of what's going on, figure out what key it's in, figure out the numbers. But obviously I've done all of the homework, hence this video. So the key of the song is in E flat or D sharp. I've tuned my bass down a whole step, so for those of you who use standard tuning, your E flat would be here on the 6th fret of your A string or the 4th fret of your B string. Because I've tuned down, for me my E flat is where your F would be. So that's my E flat. Now let's listen to different parts of it so that we can then do it that way. So from the intro, so you can see that the first note is the 6, which is the C. So that's the first note you play. Alright, so the first note you play is your 6. So I'm going to be talking in numbers here. If you don't know your number system, I have a video on the number system that I'd like you to check out. I'll put a link to it down below, or I'll put it in one of the corners, you'll see it pop up. So make sure you check that if you don't understand your numbers. And yeah, so your first note, as I said before, is the 6, or play down there, whichever one you prefer, your 6. Okay, so what comes next is I'll say the main part of this. I'll call it the interlude, because it repeats itself at different points in the song. So what you get is the 2, 4, 6, 5. So if I was to slap it, yeah, so that's what we get. So now let's see what comes next. God is an awesome God, and he reigns supreme on the throne. Angels surround him, giving praises to him daily. Okay, so you hear that part, da da da. So you see, if you heard, there's 2 repeating patterns. So there's a 2, 4, 6, 5, then da da da. Then the second time is da 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 da. So let's figure out those 2 parts. So the first part was let's go back and listen to it. Okay, so da da da. So we get, so that's your 3, 5, 6. Ba da da. So you play it really quickly. So 2, 4, 6, 5. So da da da. So what I like to do is because going back to your finger style and slap style it's very quick, I just like slap it. So I just pluck. So if you can see my right hand. So instead of going, I just do, yeah. So let's go with that bit again. So yeah, that's that. So then the second part is this. Okay, so da 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 da. So when we listen to it is 6, 3, 5, 6. So the first time we'll just yeah. So the first one it was just the 3, 5, 6, but now it's the 6, 3, 5, 6. So the first time we do So just 3 5 6, but on the second one is 6 3 5 6. So I'll do the same thing. So yeah, that's basically the whole of the interlude bit. So I'll go over it again now. So the first is you start on the 6. 2 4 6 5 3 5 6 2 4 6 5 6. So yeah, that's basically the interlude part. So now just before we get to the verse, you hear something. So that part, for me personally, I didn't like to play it that way, because if you listen very closely, the bass just plays. You hear a little interlude, you hear a little like key section, then the bass goes. But what I like to do instead was so how did it get into that part? So the last part of the chorus, so this is what I do. So that part is 5. So you end on a 5, then I just do a chromatic walk from the 2 to the 3. 2 sharp 3, 5 1 6. So that's how I did it in my video. So I also use this kind of lick groove around, whatever you want to call it. I do use that a lot in my videos. So yeah, I'm sure if you look around, you see it come up. Something like that. So yeah, that's what I do. And then let's keep on listening. Okay, so after that part, it's blessing and honor. There's a pause, then you come in on the 1. So that's the 6 you played, and then you come in on the 1. Da 1. Then it's a quick motion to the 6 2 3 6. All right. So blessing and honor 1, glory and power. Yeah. So the 2 3 6, and then from here you do it's like a movement from the 6 to the 4, but you have a 3 as a passing note. So sit down. Does that make sense? So I'll say it repeats itself. Then so that was just a 5 to the 1. 5 5 6 1 1 6 6 3 4. So that's basically the whole of your verse. So you do that twice, I believe, and then yeah, your chorus is basically the same as the interlude, I believe. Let's check it. So the one. Chorus. Okay, so if you heard, so you know how in the interlude, right, after you played the 2 4 6 5, there was the 3 6 the 3 5 6. Now you do that, but the second time, instead of doing the 6 3 5 6, it just goes 6, 5, 4. Yeah. So this is the chorus. So the 2. Every tongue and worship. Yeah. So the 4, from the 4, you do 4, 4, 6, 5, 3, 5, 6, 2. Then from the 2, 2, 2, 1, 6 sharp. So let's listen to how it goes. Then back into the interlude. So let's go over that bit again, the whole of the chorus. So it starts on 2. Every tongue in heaven and earth shall declare your glory. Every knee shall bow at your throne and worship. You will be exalted, and your kingdom shall not pass away. I ain't the best of singers, but hey, I'm trying, yeah. So that was it. 2, 4, 6, 5, 3, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 4, 6, 5, 3, 5, 6, 2, 2, 1, 6 sharp. Then the interlude again. So that's the verse and the chorus and the interlude we've done, and then I believe the next part to come up is the bridge part. Okay.
Come on, he's our king. Say, rejoice, we're gonna clap our hands and give you praise. Oh, ancient of days, everybody rejoice. Come on.
Okay. So if you want to learn that part, okay. So okay. So from the chorus, it goes 3, 2, 1, 6. So 3, 2, 1, 6, 6, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 1. Okay, so let's do that. So So that's that part. So now then from that part for a long while you just hold on to 1. Your kingdom shall reign over all the earth. Sing unto the ancient of days. Or however it is. You can hear it. You're just holding on to 1.
Yeah, that's what that says. Anybody want to lift the widows? Shawty, yeah.
You just hold on to 1. And then for those of you who are a little more advanced, you can just play around, mess around here and there. Or just do like a few little beats here and there. Stuff like that. Mess around, yeah. Just mess around with it to give you just a little bit of flavor in it. So that's that. You just play the 1 for a long time. Then that's a 6. 6 sharp. Then 6 again. Yeah, so after that part and you hold the 1 for a long time, then you adjust the 6 to the 6 sharp, and then it just repeats itself, then back to the chorus, and then on the 2. So that's basically the whole song. So let's go over it one more time, and then yeah, we'll call it a video. So interlude. Chorus. Every time we'll declare your glory, every knee shall bow. 6 like 4. Exalted and your kingdom shall not pass away. So I'll just go to the bridge part because I mean it repeats itself. So everybody shout, yeah, yeah. It repeats itself. Your kingdom shall reign over the earth for 1. And we give glory to your name, so 6. And we give glory to you. Oh, sing to the nation of yeah, so 6 to the 6 sharp, and as I said, in these parts where it's like you're holding on 1 note for a while, you can mess around, play around, make the song your own in a sense. Yeah, so I think that's it. So yeah guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the videos, what else, share them as well, that's very important. I believe this video will bless a lot of you, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos like this because they are definitely coming. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Peace.